Solve without pen. Problem 240. Modified Oxford admission problem. Domino. How many positive numbers less than or equal to 1024 can be presented by applying any combination of functions f and g, starting from n equals 0? Examples. ff is equal to 3, ffg is equal to 1, fgf is equal to 9. Solution. Let's work in the binary system. Applying function g means multiplying by 4 or appending 2 zeros to the number. For example, in decimal system 9 by 4 is 36. In binary system 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1, and 36 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Applying function f means appending digit 1 to the number. For example, in decimal system 13 by 2 plus 1 is 27. In binary system 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1, and 27 is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. It works because multiplying by 2 is appending a 0, and adding 1 is replacing this 0 with 1. Now let's use domino pieces, or rectangles 2 by 1. Using these rectangles, we need to make rectangle 2 by 10, or in more general problem 2 by k. For example, for k equals 3 it can be done by 3 different ways. Each vertical rectangle means appending digit 1, applying function f, and a pair of horizontal rectangles means appending 2 zeros, applying function g. Sequence fg means that we first apply f and then g, or that we calculate g of f of 0, which is equal to 1, 0, 0. So, each way of composing a rectangle 2 by k corresponds to a definite combination of functions g and f. At the same time, this way corresponds to a definite binary k-digit number. Denote the number of different ways to compose rectangle 2 by k as f of k. We can compose rectangle 2 by k plus 2 from rectangle 2 by k plus 1 by appending a vertical domino, or from rectangle 2 by k by appending 2 horizontal dominoes. It means that f of k plus 2 is equal to f of k plus 1 plus f of k. Fk is number of k-digit numbers that we can present as a combination of f and g. So, our problem is to find out the sum f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f10. From the table we see that the answer is 144.